Hey guys, what's happening? Welcome back to my channel. Today is the last day of this 31 Days of Eyeshadow Palette series, as well as the last day of 2018. I am so through with 2018. Thank you, next. Like, what's poppin', 2019? What's poppin'? So in today's video, we are going to be working again with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry palette. I have only used this palette one other time on my channel, I think. Yeah, I think I've only used it one other time or maybe twice on my channel. One of the times I used it already for 31 Days of Eyeshadow Palette. So I will put that in the cards above and probably link it down below in the description box for you all to check out if you wanted to see an additional look using this palette. But yeah, we're going to do a nice, cute little matte look for the New Year's. I know this is like highly untraditional because everybody and their mama is out here rocking the glitter, which is cute. It's cute, but I did wanted to switch it up a little bit for you guys, just in case you're not into like shimmers and glitters. You kind of just want to keep it nice and matte, then this look is for you. Make sure to keep watching if you want to see how I got this look. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do to get this look on and popping is dip into the shade Birch, which is this shade right here. It looks warm, like in the palette it looks like a yellowish orange, but it actually comes off like a neutrally gray, which caught me all the way off guard. It might come off different if you're a lighter skin tone, but at least on me it comes off as a neutral gray. I'm using my MAC 217 brush and I'm going to put that all over the transition area of my eye. Next, going in with my Morphe M503 brush, I'm dipping into the shade Dystopian, which is this very cool brown shade right here. I'm going to put that in the crease and also on the outer V of my eye. I'm now going back into the shade Birch, and I'm just going to clean up that brown a little bit. Now with a smaller blending brush, I'm taking the Morphe M507. I'm going to dip into the shade Noir, which is this black shade right here. And little by little, I'm going to put that on the outer V. I'm now going to take this e.l.f. crease brush and just blend out the black. It's a clean brush, so it'll move the product a little better. I'm now going to take this Morphe M503 and kind of drag Dystopian up until about a middle of the lower lash line, just to darken up the lower lash line a bit. So now taking a flat shadow brush, I'm using my Morphe M124. I'm going into the shade Fresh, and I'm just going to place that on the inner corner of my lid, in the inner corner of my eye, as well as down on the bottom lash line up until about halfway point to meet Dystopian. Now I'm taking the Morphe M507 and just kind of blending where Fresh and Noir meet. Okay, so now to finish off this look, I'm going to add a very thin layer of this Fenty Beauty Fly Liner in the shade Cause I'm Black. I'm also going to put this Wet n Wild Color Icon Dark Brown Brow and Eyeliner Pencil in my lower lash line. I don't normally like black in my lower lash line, so I tend to use dark brown a lot. Like here and there I'll use black, but I prefer brown just so it doesn't close my eye off too much. I am going to also add some Ardell Faux Mink Wispies, and I think that's it. Oh, I'm going to add this mascara, which is the MAC Insta Curl Lash, to both the top and bottom lashes. Okay guys, so here's the final look. We're going to come through dripping on New Year's Eve. I hope you guys enjoyed this look and enjoyed this series. It's so sad that it's coming to an end, but in the new year I'm going to have the videos coming back to back. So make sure you are subscribed to my channel so that you can see all the videos that I post, and to be notified each and every time that I do post a video, make sure you hit the notification bell. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and leave me comments down below. How are you guys spending your New Year's? I don't think that I'm doing anything, but we'll see. I want to wish everybody a happy new year. I wish you all nothing but the best in 2019. And with that, I will see you guys in 2019.